You may have heard about the UAV in Call of Duty, a virtual game. Unmanned aerial vehicles, also known as the UAV, were first used in World War I. The Austrians developed and set off an unmanned bomb-filled balloon. In the early 1900s, the innovation had begun. UAVs were originally used for target practice to train military personnel. Present day, UAVs are now being used for reconnaissance and attack missions. They could either be remotely controlled or it can fly autonomously based off a pre-programmed flight. The MQ-9 Reaper is a hunter/killer UAV. It was manufactured by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems. It has a wingspan of 66 feet, is 36 feet long, 12.5 feet high, and carries a payload of up to 3,850 pounds and flies at speeds of up to 276 miles per hour. The MQ-9 cost $14.42 million. MQ-9s were first introduced in May 1, 2007. The Air Force, however, no longer used the MQ-9 Reaper. The purpose of a UAV is to replace the human pilot. The UAV had been used in many different situations, starting from Afghanistan, dropping bombs during war to Iraq, where they surveyed the area for any rebellions. It has served the military for many years now, many more to come. I personally think that the UAV was a successful invention. It is a multi-purpose weapon which makes it very useful. I know they will continue to innovate the UAV as it has come so far in the business.
Over the past few decades, the military has searched for new creative and innovative ways to include technology in their missions in the battlefield as well. While soldiers are being injured in the battlefield, being trapped under huge contraptions and stuck in ditches, and etc. However, they believe there was no solution to this dilemma until Vecna designed and created a robot that can save lives. The military has been testing a robot that rescues wounded soldiers in the battlefield who are under fire. It is manually operated by a user performing with an eye glove. This robot picks the soldier up and carries him or her over to safety where they can get the medical assistance that they need. This gadget has been tested for over 2 years at the U.S. Army Infantry Center Maneuver Battle Lab at Fort Benning, Georgia. The name of this robot is Bear, and Bear is short for Battlefield Extraction Assist Robot. Bear is 6 foot tall, he has a steel torso, his hydraulic upper body lifts up to 500 pounds. His maximum hydraulic exertion is 3,000 psi, and his legs extend from wheels to legs. The people who designed and built Bear is a group called Vecna Technologies. Vecna Technologies is a robotic company that was founded in 1998. Vecna Technologies is a company that focuses on making healthcare robotics that can help the elderly around their homes, patients in hospital beds, from their beds to the bathroom. And Vecna has also become more known over the past couple of years for making the military robot Bear. Bear has been tested to carry a mannequin that weighs the same as an average man while dressed in army gear. He's been tested to carry blocks of cement to see how much weight he can carry up to, and he's also been tested to carry a ladder to extend his legs to keep balance. This invention has saved multiple lives of soldiers and can bring them home to their families.
The military uses technology such as guns, grenades, and tanks. A little advancement in the technology that is being used in the military is robotics. Some of the robots are designed to help the military do stuff such as move big or heavy objects, reconnaissance in the water. The military has been using certain robotic called the DRDO Dakish. This has been in use since October of 2009. The DRDO Dakish is an electrically powered, remotely operated vehicle designed and developed by an Indian state-owned defense research and development organization. The DRDO Dakish is designed to recover bombs, to navigate narrow corridors, and tow vehicles to reach hazardous materials. This robotic has also robotic arms. Using its arms, it can lift any object and scan the object using its portable X-ray device. This robotic has more amazing things like a water jet, disruptor, and a shell can also break open locked doors and scan cars for explosives. As it seems, their robotic plays a big role in the military. The DRDO Dakish is about 4'11", and it has a square body on the bottom with wheels on the bottom. This robot has an arm coming out of it, and the tip of it has a grasper on it being able to grasp things. It also has wires going around it giving it control. DRDO Dakish is a remotely operated vehicle which is developed by DRDO Dakish, which is the Defense Research and Development Organization, India's first ROV. The military has also placed an order for 20 DRDO Dakish. The first 5 units was handed over to General Combat Engineers for them to use in wars. Therefore, I do agree the military should use this robotic because it can help them save a lot of lives and is being used for good purposes. Plus, it also makes their job a bit easier.
All humans have limitations. Humans can be injured, killed, resulting in terrible, unrecoverable losses. Robots are robots. Now, as cruel as that sounds, it's the truth. Robots can be recovered, rebuilt, and over time in the future be made near ideal perfection. To get to the point, robots can be replaced, and humans can definitely not be. Robots are used ideally for doing the humanly impossible. Robots can perform tasks that humans could never dream of without injury or loss. All robots with many skills and motives have a large range of uses and talents in the end. Successful robots who are built for the military all have purposes, as next to none are obsolete. I researched a robot created by Boston Dynamics, known as Atlas. It's a humanoid robot, meaning it has the design and structure of a human being. All funding and for this robot was provided by DARPA. Atlas, with its humanoid structure and abilities, stands tall at 6 feet, being constructed out of aircraft-grade aluminum and titanium, weighing 330 pounds. Atlas was created by Boston Dynamics and funded by DARPA, Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency. Atlas is intended to help in crucial services in search and rescue operations, performing tasks such as shutting off valves, opening doors, and operating powered equipment in environments where humans could not survive.
The present authors got started in the area 29 years ago, focusing on legged robots that move dynamically. The need for this legged robot is to go almost anywhere on Earth. The purpose for it is to carry supplies for soldiers and go through rough terrains. The dilemma is only goes 4 miles per hour. Boston Dynamics calls it Big Dog. The size of the Big Dog is about 1 meter tall, 1.1 millimeter tall, and 0.3 meters wide. The body of it is a large dog. The Big Dog function is to carry 340 loads of military supplies. The design of Big Dog is Dr. Martin Fowler. In action, Big Dog can climb slopes up to 35 degrees, walks across rubble, climbs muddy hiking trails, walks in snow and water, and has about 50 sensors, and recycles energy from one step to the next. The benefits of Big Dog are that it can carry 340 loads. The control system keeps it balanced, manages locomotions on a wide variety of terrains, and does navigation. My opinion of the Big Dog is that it is perfect for the military use in the field.
get live.